Hey everybody, it's Neil. Hopefully you can hear me. And I have a monitor thing here. So I see I have my MacBook, and I've been using this little monitor here. It's just kind of up on a little stand and it falls down. I mean, it's a great little monitor, but it doesn't do it. So I got this one here. So we're going to check out this here. This is the KEFEYA. Sorry, my eyes are just not. KEFEYA laptop screen extender. So my eyes just aren't focusing very well this morning. Super early for me. I didn't sleep good last night. That's what it was. It's not really early. But let's check this out and see what it looks like. So it comes a box in a box. So put that right there. And so this is what it looks like here. So this is it's a tri-screen laptop screen extender. So that would be really cool if I can get this to work. So let's open it up and see what it comes with. That's just a little sleeve for it. And then here is the box. So how do we open it? There's this, I'll just put it on top of my desk here so we can check it all out together. So it is a little foam cover. And then here is the device. Guess this is going to be it here. So we're going to have to give this thing a try. Let's open it up and just see what else is in the box. So here's our quick guide, so you can see that if you need it. Under here we have a whole lot of different wires and stuff. Okay, so let's take it all out and I'll show you all one by one, and then we'll put the box away. Okay, so that's everything in the box now. You see it's empty. I have to keep things fairly neat here because those dogs are running around and they will get to it. So let's see what we got. So we have a wire here, which is a USB to USB-C. We have a USB-C to USB-C wire. We have another one of those, so it's a duplicate of that. We have HDMI wires, another HDMI wires, and another USB to USB-C. So I'm guessing each of these are going to be connected up through their own little one. And then we have a nice little velvet bag, very cute. And so this is what it looks like here. So this is the device, and then it will open up like this. And oh, those are the screens right here. So I guess that's one screen and that's the other screen. So I'm guessing it clips onto the computer on the back. Yes, it's got like rubber stuff right here, so it'll kind of hold on, and then it looks like it has maybe some sort of stand here too, so you can use it that way. I don't know, let's give it a shot and see what happens. We're gonna do this together. So I have a 14-inch MacBook Pro. That's what I'm doing this on right now. So, that's cool. Let's check it out. It doesn't fit exactly, but what it's got stretchy, so it'll get bigger, so it'll totally fit. Look at that. So here we go. It's on. Boy, okay. Well, it doesn't want to pull my laptop back, but let's see once we open it up how it's going to do. So there's one side, and the other side, and that is what it's going to be like. That's going to look pretty cool. Let me take these plastics off. Hopefully you guys see what's going on over here. So there is that. Very nice. And now we need to run the wires. So I'm guessing mine's going to be USB-C for these. So where do they plug in? Over here on the side. Plug that one in. And that one in. Let's see if these go on. What does this say? Please connect this port to our product. Okay. So there's one side. Oh, look at that. Allow the accessory to connect. So I'm going to move my mouse over there and say allow. And now let me do this side. Let's see. I'll put. Oops. Don't lean forward in the chair. Okay. Now let me plug this side in here. There. Oh, you know what? It had that little stand on the back. I'm thinking I'm going to probably need that. That's probably what it's for, is to keep it from going back too much. Yes. So I can put it at whatever angle I want and snap it into place. Let me see. So if I want it there, so it'll be at that angle, or I can go this way and do it at that angle. That's why. So it's smart. They thought of the whole flopping back monitor thing. So that's what that little thing was there in the back. So now check this out. I have 3 monitors going. And how cool is this? I don't know if you can see, let's check out trying something here. So let me go into, I don't even know where anything is here. Oh, I just ended up moving stuff over. Let's go into my 3D printer. So I will have my 3D printer right over here, and I'm gonna move that into, let's see, does it move over into that other one? Can I, oh, I think I have to arrange my monitors because now I'm going left and it ends up there. So let me do that real quickly. So if I go to here to system settings, it's probably all in the manual, but I've done monitor stuff before, but let's see if I can do this. Displays. Okay, so I have built-in display, and I can say arrange, and I'm gonna move my built-in this one here. How do I do these? Can I move them? To rearrange the stage, drag them to the desired position. There we go. So now I have that one on that side, that one on that side, and now I'm done. Okay. So let's try this again now. Let me drag. There we go. Now it's dragging over. Oops. I didn't make it. And I can go that way. So there, now it's on this monitor. Boy, it's got a big screen resolution. I wonder if there's a way to change the resolution too. Let me see, system settings. Maybe look at these manual here and see what I can do. Well, that's not the manual. This is the quick start guide, and here is the full manual. Let's go back to displays again. Displays. And see the left one here. Right now it's set for 960 by 540. So now I'm going to change it to, so there's 1600 by 900, 1920 by 1280. That's probably a decent size for me. So now I'm going to go back over here again. I don't know if I can rearrange there. So now my 3D printer is running right over there. And now I'll make it the right size. So there, so I can always have my 3D printer monitor over there. And now if I go to this one here, that one is set for 1920 by there. Now it's got a very high resolution as well. And so now, let's say I want to put my Chrome over there. I guess I was looking up the word in position the other day. Let me drag it over. I always have a hard time dragging stuff with my Mac, but there we go. So now it is on that monitor. So how cool is that? So now I have that monitor, 3 different monitors running off of my same laptop. So this is going to be awesome, and I'm running it at 1920 resolution here. I'm going to move the camera here a little bit, trying not to spill everything I have on my desk, and see if you guys can take a look. And it's pretty good. I don't know if you guys can read it from there, but the quality is good. I can totally read everything that's going on all these. So that is a very cool little setup now. Now I have a 3-monitor setup, and I am going to totally use this. So let me try to put it all back away and see what it looks like there. So this has a sweet spot. Okay, so I've got it now. So now if I want to fold everything up and put it away, so I don't need all these other wires are just, I guess if you wanted to hook up HDMI or something else, I guess you could probably hook up a Fire Stick to it or something like that. I could even watch TV on one of them. Let's see, if I want to put them all away, I would just go and unplug that, unplug this. So there, now I've got those unplugged. I can fold this down. This one here, you see it twists. That's how that little thing came out for the little foot. And then we'll fold these up. So this one goes in first, and then this one. And I can just take my laptop like that, or take it off. It comes off like that, and then I would stick it into this little velvet bag that it comes with. And then I am good to go. So how cool is that? This is a very sleek little device here. So there, I can just stick this in my laptop when I need to bring extra monitors with me, or probably leave these ones here at the desk here, because I'm guessing I won't be doing huge editing on the road. But I guess you could bring something like this, even to Starbucks or whatever. It's nice and small, and it's not that heavy. I mean, I would say it's lighter than my laptop. These laptops weigh a ton though. So pretty cool. That's all you need are these monitors for it. So super cool. So I'm gonna say thumbs up from me. This is super awesome. And this is by KEFEYA, KEFEYA. That's the brand right there. And then this is what it says here. So it comes with all the accessories and all the wires you need. I mean, it came with, I just used the, what are these called? These are like Firewire wires. I think it's the Thunderbolt. So I'm guessing it supports Thunderbolt on these because data transfer usually doesn't work on generic plugs. They're usually just power. So I'm sure you can't use a regular power one. You have to use this one. But let's just see what else we have here. Does it say anything else? No, pretty much. That's going to be it. It says suitable for 13.3 inches to 16.5 inches laptop. So I'm going to say this is super awesome. This is probably one of my favorite things I've bought so far. Actually, I'm probably going to use it. I'll be video editing, so I'll have my main video in the middle, my YouTube, my Amazon, all the different stuff on the sides. So I'm going to say this is super cool. Thumbs up from me. Definitely pick one of these up. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.